Hello students. So today's class we will discuss a very important reaction in the chapter haloalkenes and haloarenes, that is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now what is substitution? In presence of one atom, another atom is there. In presence of one atom, another atom is there. Means one atom is being replaced. One atom is being replaced by another atom. Okay. Now, first of all, what is the nucleophile? Nucleophile is any species which has a lone pair of electron or has a negative charge. Any species, any atom or any ion which has a lone pair of electron or has a negative charge is called a nucleophile. So what actually happens in a nucleophilic substitution reaction is that a nucleophile is replacing another nucleophile. A nucleophile is replacing another nucleophile. Okay, let us see. Suppose Nu is our nucleophile. Okay, symbol of a nucleophile we have given Nu. Now I told nucleophile is something which is either negatively charged or carries a lone pair of electron. Okay, suppose we have let us take a nucleophile symbolized like this. Okay, let us have a nucleophile symbolized like this, Nu minus. It is attacking a alkyl halide. Okay, it is attacking a alkyl halide. This is our alkyl halide. Alright. Your X is your halogen. X can be chlorine, bromine, iodine, etc. R is your alkyl group. Okay. So a nucleophile is attacking a alkyl halide molecule. So what this nucleophile will do? This nucleophile will attack this alkyl halide and this halogen atom will get removed. So what will happen? Instead of the halogen atom, now there is a new nucleophile. Instead of the halogen atom, now a new nucleophile is attached to the alkyl group. Okay, so what is the nucleophile doing? The nucleophile is replacing this halogen or not? You observe the product. The nucleophile is replacing the halogen. Yes or no? Yes. The nucleophile is replacing the halogen. So that is why in the product, instead of halogen, now there is a new nucleophile. Okay. Now this halogen atom attached to the alkyl group, that is also a nucleophile. Okay, the halogen atom attached to the alkyl group in alkyl halide. The halogen atom attached to the alkyl group in alkyl halide, that is also a nucleophile. Why? Because you know halogens are electronegative. Halogens, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, they are electronegative. So that is why they will carry a partial negative charge. In the alkyl halide molecule, the halogen atom will carry a partial negative charge. Alright, so since the halogen atom will carry a partial negative charge, that is why this is also nucleophile. This halogen is also a nucleophile because it is electronegative. So it will carry a partial negative charge and the alkyl group will carry a partial positive charge. Okay. So what do you find? One nucleophile is replacing another nucleophile or not? This is our external nucleophile. Okay. and this X is the nucleophile or the halogen atom present in the alkyl halide. Okay, and just now I told this halogen is also a nucleophile. So one nucleophile is replacing another nucleophile. That is why it is a substitution reaction. And since the nucleophile is being replaced, that is why it is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Since the nucleophile is being replaced, that is why it is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. One nucleophile is replacing another nucleophile. Okay? One nucleophile is replacing another nucleophile. Now the question is, the nucleophile is attacking this alkyl group. Why? You see, the nucleophile is negatively charged. Okay, and a nucleophile will always attack a region of low electron density. Nucleophile will always attack a region of low electron density. Okay, where electron density is low or where there is a positive charge. So the nucleophile will always attack at the position where the electron density is low or there is a positive charge. That is why the attack is on this alkyl group. Okay, and this bond is breaking, as you can see. The alkyl halogen bond is breaking and a new bond is formed, alkyl nucleophile bond. Okay, so this halogen which is getting removed is also called a leaving group. Is also called a leaving group. Alright, because the halogen is getting removed, leaving the alkyl halide. Alright, so one nucleophile is replacing another nucleophile, that is called a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Alright, now in order for the new nucleophile, to replace the halogen atom, it must be stronger than this nucleophile. The nucleophile, the external nucleophile or the new nucleophile which is attacking the alkyl halide, okay, must be stronger than this halogen atom. Must be a stronger nucleophile. Otherwise, how will it replace? A stronger nucleophile will replace the halogen. Okay. So, now we will write down the definition of nucleophilic substitution reaction. What is the definition? A reaction in which a stronger nucleophile replaces or substitutes a weaker nucleophile in a molecule. Okay, a reaction in which a stronger nucleophile replaces or substitutes a weaker nucleophile in a molecule is called nucleophilic substitution reaction. Alright, so what is happening? A stronger nucleophile is replacing a weaker nucleophile. The nucleophile which is replacing this halogen must be stronger than this halogen. Then only the replacement will happen. The nucleophile replacing this halogen atom must be stronger than this halogen atom. Otherwise it cannot replace. Okay. So a stronger nucleophile is replacing the weaker nucleophile. Alright. And that is what is your nucleophilic substitution. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now the atom or group which is leaving the molecule is called leaving group. So what is happening when the nucleophile is attacking this alkyl halide molecule? Okay, the halogen is removing. You can see the arrow movement. The halogen with the shared pair of electron is getting removed. Alright, the halogen is getting removed. Alright, X means halogen. So that halogen or that atom, or sometimes group of atom is also there. That atom or group of atom which is leaving the molecule, okay, with its shared pair of electron. The atom or group of atom which is leaving the molecule with its group of shared pair of electron is called leaving group, because it is leaving the system. Leaving group. Okay. So what is happening in nucleophilic substitution? A nucleophile is attacking an alkyl halide molecule and a halogen atom is getting removed. Okay. And substitution is happening. You can see, instead of halogen, a nucleophile is being attached. So this is what is nucleophilic substitution reaction. This is what is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now, nucleophilic substitution reaction is of two types. Substitution nucleophilic bimolecular. Symbol is SN2, and substitution nucleophilic unimolecular, SN1. Okay, two types of nucleophilic substitution. Substitution nucleophilic bimolecular, substitution nucleophilic unimolecular. Okay, symbol is SN2 for substitution nucleophilic bimolecular. Symbol is SN1 for substitution nucleophilic unimolecular. SN means substitution nucleophilic. So that's all. Thank you.